So hey guys, welcome back to Artemis Coder. This is Apex Coder speaking. I made this video to share the project that I recently made, a password generator in Python. The project is very simple to make and you can make it with basic knowledge of Python. You can see here the code is very short. I will show you the code. I'm running it. It asks me for the password length. Now I'll enter 7. And I'm getting a very random password. And now I will explain the code. Here I've imported two modules, string and random. From string I've used 4 functions: .ascii, lowercase, .ascii, uppercase, .digits and .punctuations. .ascii lowercase is for lowercase alphabets, .ascii uppercase is for uppercase alphabets, .digits are for numbers and .punctuation is for punctuations. These all four functions comprise for the password. And then I made a variable which consists of the input given by the user. Then I made an empty list from which I extended the list by all these 4 functions. Then the list I shuffled it so that all the alphabets and numbers and punctuations are shuffled and we get a very random shuffle. And then I printed the first 16 digits divided by the number of digits the user wanted for their password. Then I get the password. So this is how I made this very simple password generator. If you have made it so far, please subscribe and like the video and press the bell icon for further notifications. Thank you for watching and signing off for now.